So some common questions that I do get, and it's typically in the drafting environment, is the bolt circle. In the past, it seemed kind of clunky, and in NX12, they've cleaned that up. So it's easier to work with, and they've been able to push that into the PMI interface. So you can go ahead and modify your bolt circle center line within the PMI environment. Boy, that's easy to sail. So just going a different view, I'll go ahead and create my bolt circle center line. Hopefully everybody can see that. There's no reflections in there. That's kind of off. And I'm going to go ahead and expand my dialog box. And typically any dialog box you get inside of NX, if there's a red asterisk, yes, you have to satisfy that in order to hit OK or apply to add another one. So I'm just going to go ahead and create 3 holes. And then there's my bolt circle. You have options to make it a partial circle. I can extend the extension lines depending on what center point I have highlighted as my node. And I can go ahead and even remove points. I just remove the point that I had highlighted. That's okay. I'll just add a new one back in. So there's my bolt circle again. If I need all those extensions, I can turn that back off and adjust one, and they all adjust at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and just configure this so that I have the full hole pattern. There we go. And now I'll go ahead and adjust that hole pattern so that I have 4 holes as opposed to 8. And you'll see how the bolt circle center line adjusts. Now, if the holes disappear, it may not update properly. So I'm just going to simply go back in there and edit the bolt circle center line. Go ahead and delete one of the holes here. And then just add in whatever holes that are missing from my bolt circle. So I have 2 highlighted. I'll go ahead and grab the other 2. So very quickly, I was able to modify that. In the past, it was a little bit clunky, and Siemens has done a great job of fixing that for us. So that's going to be anything in NX12 and newer.